The conditional discount for WooCommerce plugin allows you to create a vast array of discounts ranging from the easiest and the simplest to the more complex. One of the perks of using our conditional discount for WooCommerce plugin is being able to create specific discounts for specific customers and specific conditions in which those discounts will be applied. In order to create a specific discount that applies to a specific role, please go to Discounts and select New Discount. From here on, you can start the process of creating your specific discount for your specific client as you wish. The first step in creating your discount is giving it a name. In this case, we'll call it Role-Based Discount. In order to create your role-based discount, you must include the rule if customer role. To include said rule, navigate to Rules, click on Add Rule Group, and click on If Customer Role. From there on, you can choose one of the roles available by default on your WordPress site, or use external plugins to add new roles. Once you've selected the role you'd like your discount to apply to, you can then proceed to creating the discount you wish. In this case, I'd like a discount of 50% for all my subscribers. I click on subscribers, percentage of product price, and 50. And it's as easy as that. All my products will now be 50% off for all my subscribers. With the conditional discounts for WooCommerce plugin, you can fine-tune your discounts to be as specific as possible. In the previous example, we simply created a discount that applies to our subscribers. We can fine-tune these discounts to make it a bit more specific. In this example, I'd like to create a 50% discount not just for my subscribers, but for my subscribers that have bought a specific product from my product list. If you have any questions on how to create a product list, please see the tutorial in our playlist on how to create your product list. In order to add a product list to my conditions and fine-tune my discounts, all I need to do is click on the Add button. By clicking on this button, I will choose the option that allows me to select my product list. In this case, I select my product list, and now my discount is set. This discount will only apply to my subscribers that have purchased a product from my product list. The conditional discount for WooCommerce plugins allows you so much possibilities to make sure that your specific clients always feel special. For example, let's create a discount that applies to our previous purchases. So a customer that is a subscriber and that has previously purchased at least once from our store. All we need to do is click on the rule If Customer Role and choose the role that is more suited to our condition, and select the tag Previous Ordered Product Count. What this does is checks the amount of products that were previously purchased and applies the discount if your client meets these needs. If my client has previously purchased something more than 3 products, they will receive a discount. We can add more rules to this and apply a discount for a specific list of products. In order to do so, all we have to do is click the Add button and choose If Previously Ordered Products and apply this to our product list. This will make sure that not only would the discount be applied to customers having purchased more than 3 items, but customers having purchased more than 3 items from a specific product list. The conditional discount for WooCommerce plugin doesn't just allow you to set discounts based on product list or number of products bought. It can also allow you to create discounts based on the total amount spent on your shop. To create a discount that is based on the total amount spent in your shop, all you need to do is add a group rule that takes this into account. For this type of discount, you need to choose the total spent in shop rule. Once you choose that, you can set the amount you'd like to set as your limit and the type of incrementation you'd like to use: more than, less than, equal, or multiple of. In this case, I'd like to give my clients that have spent more than $100 a discount, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. We now have a discount that applies to our clients that have spent more than $100 on our store. The conditional discount for WooCommerce plugin allows you to create a vast array of discounts. The only limitations to the type of discounts you can create is your own imagination. You can create discounts ranging from the type of products being bought, the number of products being bought, the shipping state, the shipping method used, subscription method used, billing country. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section or contact us on our contact page in the link below. Thank you for choosing us for your discount needs.